on how the teacher can add parent-teacher meetings. Only the teacher can do this, the administrator cannot. So the teacher would log in, they would click on the left-hand side menu under Administration, Parent-Teacher Meetings. You've got the ability to select which class you want to upload the parent-teacher meeting for. So I want to do it for the Sharks class. I fill in the column on the left, which let's just say I want to have the meeting in class 1B. I want to have the meeting on the 25th of March at 5 p.m. or let's make it 5:30. I'd like to meet with 15 parents, and I'd like to meet each parent for 30 minutes. Let's make it 20 minutes. And I'd like to have a 5-minute break in between each slot. You have the option to leave a note for the parent which they can view. All the parents would be able to view that note. So any parent, so all 15 parents would view that note. Let's click Submit. So it populates that within the section in the middle. You can click on the plus sign. You now have the ability to allocate a parent to a slot. So let's say I wanted to book in Edward Cruz. Click Book Slot. So that child's been booked. If you make a mistake, you simply click on Delete Slot, and that slot's been deleted. Let's go back to grade 3 Sharks, so that slot's now available again. The parent also has the ability to book a slot, so let's just quickly show you once more how the teacher does it. So the teacher can book a slot quite easily. I now want to flip across to the parent portal, so let's just pretend a parent's logged in. They've clicked on parent-teacher meetings, and I can see that's taken. But let's say I want to book my child. I want to book in this slot over here at 6:20. I click on Book Slot. Okay, so I've been booked in. That's my child. So if I log out and I go back into the teacher portal, and I click on grade 3 at the top, I can see that that parent's booked themselves in. If you'd like to add a break, so if it's a very long evening and you need to have a break at some point, what you can do is you can actually click the book button and then add a teacher break, and then click Book Slot. So when the parents are viewing that, they will see teacher break. I think that covers most things. If the parent, for example, wanted to cancel that slot, they can simply click Cancel, and they can then rebook themselves for a different time. So there's clear transparency on both sides. My suggestion is that once you have created all of the slots, you just jump in as the teacher and you click on Email, and you can email the Sharks class and just type a message and basically just tell the parents to log in and book themselves in a slot and click Send, and all the parents can then get an email notification that they can go and book themselves for that parent-teacher meeting. If you've got any questions, please email support@childcloud.co.za.